Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Hope you all are doing well. I am Ayush, founder of bloggersdesire.com. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can easily build a high quality and beautiful website using Elementor Cloud. As you all may already know about Elementor, Elementor is one of the most popular page builder and website builder plugin, especially built for WordPress. But you can also build a whole website using new feature of Elementor, which is Elementor Cloud platform. And do you know, with over 10 million active downloads, there are 7.1% of the top 10 million websites are powered by Elementor. Isn't it really amazing? So if you are looking for a complete website solution, then Elementor Cloud platform is for you. If you are a beginner or someone who don't know how to code or not from technical background, then you can use Elementor Cloud to build your whole website from its powerful drag and drop builder. As we already know, Elementor is one of the most popular page builder plugins. So with its powerful drag and drop builder, you can build a whole website without writing any single line of code. So without any further delay, let's get started our Elementor Cloud platform tutorial that helps you to understand how this platform actually works. Step 1. So first of all, you need to click on the link which is present in the description box below. When you click on this link, it will take you to the official landing page of Elementor Cloud, which looks something like this. Creating websites. If we scroll down a little bit, as you can see, Elementor Cloud website with hosting built in. There are many features provided by Elementor Cloud platform. Google Cloud Platform, CDN by Cloudflare, and custom domain connection. And let's scroll down a little bit more. There are more features mentioned on this landing page. So to proceed to the next step, we need to click on this Get a Cloud Website button. So let's click on it and it will take you here. And now to proceed more further, click on Buy Now button. Now wait for a second. Yes. Here you can see it. Now it will take you to here. Here you need to create an account. First of all, let's enter our email address. Now enter our password. Now simply click on the create an account button. There are two options you will see here to create an account. First of all, you can manually enter your email address and password, or you can continue with Google Gmail ID. So we have continued with our Google Gmail ID to create an account. You can also manually enter your email address and password to create an account. Now to proceed further, we need to enter our billing information. So let's enter our billing information. After entering all your information, click on the continue button. Now you need to choose a payment method. You can pay via PayPal or enter your credit card information. So let's enter our detail. Once you have entered all your billing information, simply click on the Pay Now button. Now it will take some seconds to process your payment. As you can see on the screen, we got a message, thank you Ayush for creating a website, or thank you Ayush for a purchase. So we have successfully purchased the Elementor Cloud. Now we need to move to the next step. So in this step, we will create a website. So to create a website, we need to click on Start Creating a Website button, which you can see here. Now you need to complete some steps. So here first of all you need to enter your website name. So in my case I am going to put a Healthify sample. Now click on the next button. Now it will automatically create a default domain website address or domain name. You can always change it later by adding a custom domain. Now simply click on the next button. Now you need to choose which type of website you want to create or you are going to create. So I am going with blog. As you can see here, it will show you some very amazing ready to use templates that you can use in your website. So there are many templates to use. So I am going with this one. Or if you want to preview it, simply hover on it and click on what's inside. Here you can see the preview of your template. As you can see, you can also change it and view in different devices, like how this looks in mobile and tablet and PC or laptop. When we apply this template, it will look something like this. Here are some details about this template. There are 3 pages in template: home, about, contact, and 4 side parts: footer, header, single post, and 404 page. So I like this template. So simply to go with the template or continue with this template, simply click on this start with the script button. As you can see, when we have click on this, it will take some time, and this step is now completed. This might take a second. Here you can show it. So it is applying on our website. Let's wait for it. Yes, while you are waiting, we are creating for websites, and these amazing messages are coming line by line here. Now they are applying some basic theme to your website. Hold on, this might take a minute. As you can see, our website is ready. So let's click on the let's go button. As you can see, here are my website that I created. So just click on it, and to open its WordPress dashboard, simply hover on it and click on open WP dashboard button. So just I click here, and as you can see, my WordPress dashboard is opening. So let's wait for it for some seconds. Yeah, as you can see on the screen, my WordPress dashboard, that website created on Elementor Cloud, is now opened. So to view our website, simply go here and click on the view site button, and from here we can see our website that it is looking absolutely beautiful. As you can see, we have selected the template that looks exactly like this. Yeah, the website is looking really cool. So to edit this home page, we need to click here edit with Elementor button and just click here. As you can see, its drag and drop builder is now open, and we can make any changes we want here. So if I want to change here, simply I need to click here and change this text. So we Yes, now it looks more cool. And if you want to change this image, simply click on here and choose image, and you can add any images you want here. So let's add this image and click on insert media. Yeah, this image is now added here. And yes, and to apply these changes, simply click on this update button. Yeah, so to see our changes, click here preview changes button, and it will take to the next page where we can see all the changes we have made. Yes, as you can see, we have successfully made the changes and all the changes are applied. Subscribe newsletter to get latest updates. Yes, now let's you can see here there are 3 pages that created by Elementor templates. So let's click on about. So to edit this, simply click on the edit with Elementor button, and it will take you to here. Yes, I think all the content here is really cool, so we are not going to change anything. But if you want to change anything according to your needs, you can simply click on this pencil icon and it will take you to here, and from here you can change all the text. So this text is already cool, and if, as I already showed, to change image, simply click here and choose image and select any of your favorite image. Let's select this image for here. Yes, this image successfully added here. So to apply these changes, simply click on this update button. This is how you can, but first let's preview these changes. That's how you can easily edit the same pages and a home page of your website. So now let's add a new page. So to add a new page, simply click on the pages and all pages, and from here click on the add new page button, and it will take you there. Here let's give it a name, privacy policy or services. Let's create a services page. So after giving it a name, click on edit with Elementor, and it will open drag and drop builder. Yes, you can also manually build your page like this by drag and dropping elements, but this takes a very time. So let's click here, and as you can see, there are many templates that you can simply import in just one click. So we have created a services page, so let's search about it. Services. Yes, there are many pages for services like this one. So I am going to add this one. This looks very cool. So to preview this, simply click on the pages any one of you want and click on insert button. As you can see, our page is successfully imported here. Yes, the save world, we can do one stop solution for digital. So I am going to change this text, marketers. Now it looks more cool according to me. You can always change all the text. Let's change this image, choose image and select this one. This looks cool. Yeah, and to publish this page, simply click on the publish button and click on have a look to preview these changes. Yeah, this looks really cool now. So now if you want to post anything, you can simply go here, all post, and click on the add new post to add any of your posts. Here you can like how to get clients for your agency, and you can write your content like this and simply click on the publish button. Or you can also add it with Elementor by clicking here, and you can add manually. Yeah, so we can add our post from here. Like I want to add a image here, and so I want to add this image. Yes, so now I want to add a heading like how to get clients. Now I want to add some text, so I inserted some text. Or you can add a button like this, or change this button, get now. Or if you want to add any other thing, you can always add here. Like I want to add one video of YouTube, so simply you can add a video and paste the link of the video here, and it will automatically fetched. So simply click on the publish button to publish this post, and click on have a look to preview it. Yeah, this looks really cool. You can add more content to make it more beautiful. So now let's take a look of Elementor Cloud dashboard, how it is looking and how you can manage your website from here. So as you can see on the screen, it will look something like this when you open your account, and you can click on this, and when you click on this manage this website button, it will take you to here. As you can see here, it will show a notification site lock is on, search engine won't display your website. That means you need to off your site lock to make visible on the search engine. But I don't recommend to turn it on now, because once you finish your website design, then on it. As you can see, here is my website name, and here is my website domain name, address, and from here you can manage your domain names. As you can see, you can also add custom domains. So to add a custom domain, simply click on connect now my domain, and you need to add these details to your domain DNS server. Once you add these details to your domain name server, simply click on the next button and your domain will successfully connected. As you can see here, site lock is on, so simply click on this to turn it off. Here are all the backups that will automatically taken by Elementor Cloud. You can also create a new backup by here manually. And here are some tools that you can use to debugging and troubleshooting, like reset WP login details or WordPress and script debug. There are many features that you can use here. This is really a complete solution. With here you can edit your website directly from Elementor, and by clicking here you can open your WordPress dashboard. So now let's talk about its pricing. As if we considered all these features into a bundle, it will cost only $99 per year. Isn't it really amazing? And I totally think it is a completely fair price, because in only $99 per year you will get all the features required to create a website, hosting, Elementor Pro plugin, and all the features. And one of the best part is your website will be hosted on Google Cloud Platform, which is one of the fastest and secure platform in the world. So it becomes completely clear that the pricing is completely fair. And along with this, you will get 30 days money back guarantee. That means if you don't like the product or you are not satisfied with their service, you can simply ask them to get your money back, and this makes this offer really worth it. So as we have discussed in the video, that you can also connect your custom domain with your website. So let's check it out how you can easily connect your custom domain with your Elementor Cloud website. So all you need to click on the link which is present in the description box below, which will take you to the official landing page of Namecheap. Namecheap is a marketplace to buy and sell your domain name. So now we are going to purchase a domain name. So now we are on the screen. As you can see, from here you can type your domain name and check it out if it is available. So we are going to check it out, our domain name, which is Healthify Sample. I think it is available. Let's click on the search button. It is taking some seconds. As you can see, our domain Healthify Sample.fit is available, but we want this one with .com domain, so we can add it to cart, but let's first change it to US dollars. When you come to your cart, simply you need to click on the confirm order button, and it will take you to the next page where you need to create an account, or if you already have an account, you can simply log in from here. Once you have created account, simply click here and will take you to the Namecheap dashboard, from where you can access your domain settings and DNS management. Once you have done with this, you need to open your Elementor account, and from here you need to click on this manage this website button and scroll down a little bit, and here you can see there are two records, A record and C name. You need to simply copy them by clicking here and add them to your Namecheap dashboard or DNS settings. Once you done with this, you need to wait for some hours to connect these name servers and make them live. After you have done all these settings and design your website completely, then you need to simply come here back and turn this site lock to off. And once you click here, and you need to click on unlock site button to make your website live and accessible to the all search engines. This will make your website live. So that's how you can easily create a website using Elementor Cloud. Now let's talk about some of its features. But before it, do you know, with Elementor Cloud Platform, you are also getting a Elementor Pro plugin subscription for your website. So now let's talk about its feature. First, Google Cloud Platform. Elementor is based on Google Cloud Platform, so you will get world-class security and reliability. Second, CDN Cloudflare. You don't need to manually connect your website with any CDN, because by default you will get a CDN by Cloudflare that makes your website really fast. Third, SSL certificate. They automatically install the most trusted SSL certificate on your website, or if you wish, you can also install your own certificate whenever you want. Third, daily backups. They run automatic backups in every 24 hours, and you can also take manual backups whenever you like. Here are some more features that you will get with Elementor Cloud Platform. 100 GB bandwidth for a top site experience, 100K monthly unique visits that are ready for your traffic, 20 GB storage for all your content and assets, premium support whether you are a beginner or an expert. You can contact their 24/7 live chat support to solve all your queries. So I hope now you know how you can easily build a website using Elementor Cloud Platform. So what are you waiting for? Just click on the link which is below in the description and start creating beautiful websites now. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.